How to remove or turn off subscription on TikTok. So if you no longer want your subscription of TikTok, then what you want to do is simply head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your account at the very top of the screen. Tons of different options will be available to you, but head over to subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. Well, it will be landing you on this page. In this page, you should see all the list of the application in which you have bought the subscription of. Right now in my page, you can see that none of the application is available, which means that I haven't purchased any of the subscription of the app. But for you, if you have the subscription of the application TikTok, then it will be available in this page. All you want to do is click on TikTok. At the bottom, the option of remove or delete will be visible to you. Simply click on it and then tap on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your subscription will be removed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn off or remove subscription on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.